do you get insurance before registering a car? Mexico consistently ranks amongst the top 10 destinations for travelers. Its tropical resorts and mountain retreats offer a range of activities from shopping to adventure sports. It also creates the right circumstances for accidents and injuries. According to the Department of State, a lead U.S. foreign affairs agency, many American visitors assume the standards of security and safety are the same as they are in the U.S. These presumptions have led not only to serious injuries but even deaths. Compounded by differences in Mexican law, accidents and medical emergencies can become a costly and bureaucratic nightmare. As a result, the Department of State urges citizens to take responsibility for their safety and to also ensure that they have the auto and medical insurance needed. Mexico's law is based on Napoleonic Code, where guilt is assumed over innocence. As a result, all drivers must have a Mexican insurance policy from a company authorized to do business in Mexico to cover damages or injuries. In addition to the required Mexican auto insurance, you should also consider a plan that covers legal aid and bond fees. In Mexico, it is considered a felony to have a traffic accident, says Gray. While the police are investigating who is at fault, your vehicle may be impounded and you will be detained by Mexican authorities. The Department of State further warns U.S. travelers that they can be prevented from leaving the country even if life-saving medical care is required. Mexico has a free national health care system, however, visitors are not entitled to this service. Tourists can only receive medical treatment and medications from private clinics and hospitals. Gray's company strongly urges customers to check their medical insurance company to confirm whether their policy applies in Mexico and whether it will cover emergency expenses such as a medical evacuation. Surprisingly, most Mexican auto insurance plans will only help you find a facility and may only cover up to 4 passengers. Many medical assistance plans only cover portions of the cost depending on location, activity, or cause of injury. For those with the Social Security Medicare program, costs for hospital or medical care outside the United States are not covered at all. It's important to fill the gaps and exclusions that your auto and medical insurances have, says Gray. In addition to Mexican auto insurance, travelers should add an emergency medical assistance option because most health plans exclude medical evacuation in foreign countries. Gray recommends a plan like Assist America, which is used by the American Medical Association and the American Red Cross. This type of plan provides services such as emergency medical evacuations, critical care monitoring, and guaranteed hospital admission. Make sure the plan covers you during your entire stay. Most plans have daily, 6-month, and annual policies. Maximum of number of passengers. Limits less than $100,000 per passenger for any medical assistance service, including expensive air or land evacuation. Rural Mexico territory exclusion. Sport or adventure activity exclusions.